is the Aristocats. This is level 1, where we're just going to learn the right hand and play the melody. All right, and watch the fingering. It's not too difficult, but we have a couple little changes. We're going to start right here with your thumb on middle C, and we're going to put your 2 on E and your 4. So instead of being one note on every finger, just move these 4 fingers up one note. The reason for that is we're going to need to reach this A here in just 1 minute. So we'll do the first phrase, and that's the first 4 measures. Ready? It's C, G. Okay, so you stop the video there and go over that until you got the first phrase. Now the second phrase, we move this and this down 1. Okay, so now we got a little bigger stretch because we still need our 4 to be on G. Your thumb is on B. Now your thumb comes to D, second on E. Now your thumb for the next phrase moves back down to C. Okay, now tricky. We're on your pinky. We're going to switch your 4th to that same note your pinky's on. Okay, now we're going to put your pinky right there where the 3rd is. Okay, learn that just one phrase at a time till you got the right hand. Then move up to level 2. I'll see you then. Okay, you should have the right hand melody perfect. Now we're going to add 1 note in the left hand, and we're only going to use 3 notes for this left hand. Your pinky's going to be on C and G, thumb on G. We use C and G quite a bit, and then we come to F. We only use it once in the whole song, and it's right here. So your left hand never moves. Pinky on C, thumb on G, never move. Here's how we play it. C, we do that 3 times, and then we do G 4 times. We do C 4 times. Now we're going to do F 2 times, and then C, G, C. Okay, pause the video and go ahead and learn that left hand, and this is what it sounds like together. There you go. Okay, this is level 3. We've already know the right hand, and we played the melody with just 1 note in the left hand. Now we're going to turn those notes in the left hand into full chords, 3 notes at a time. For C, we're going to play C, E, and G. And when you play the G, keep your thumb on G, play these 2 right next to each other, G and F, and your pinky moves down 1 note to B. That's called a G7 chord. Okay, so C, G7. The other chord we will have, it comes right after a C chord, so we're playing C. Keep your pinky on C and just put your this number 2 finger on F and your thumb up on A. There's F, and then back to C. Okay, so we have C, G7, and F. And when we put that with the melody, this is what it sounds like. Okay, now this is the bonus, the advanced version. We're going to take those chords that we learned in the left hand and make a little pattern out of them. A really popular one is called the Alberti bass, and that sounds really good with this song. It's where you take the chord, you play the bottom note, then the top, then the middle, then the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. For G7, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And for F, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. You just keep that pattern going until the very last measure. Maybe you could do stop, and then I like to do a little low note. You can't see that, it's down here, a C. Okay, so practice breaking those chords up like that, and this is what it sounds like all together.